Capturing good audio is just as important as capturing good video and good lighting. Now, can you imagine what the movie Indiana Jones would be like without the music of John Williams?
Dun 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 dun.
My point is this: video is only half of the video you're trying to create. Audio is the second half. If you're not capturing good audio, it will sound like this. This is the audio that I captured from my camera, and it's not very good. As I'm using a microphone on the camera, it doesn't sound good at all. But if you're capturing audio from a good quality microphone and a separate recorder, it sounds much better and the audience will appreciate it. Now, the audio equipment I use is the Zoom H5 recorder and the Sennheiser wireless mic combo kit with transmitter and receiver. This is a multi-purpose set for mobile video creation. This setup allows you to mic your subject and transmit to the recorder wirelessly. This is especially nice if you have multiple people you are capturing audio for. This setup allows you to be portable, meaning you can shoot in different locations and still capture audio without plugging into an outlet. This setup can be a bit expensive, but if you're serious about making multiple videos, eventually this is an investment you should consider. Now, if you're trying to stay within the $1,000 budget range, I would invest in the Blue Yeti USB microphone and use your computer to record the audio. Audacity is some great software to help you do just that. Place your microphone about 6 to 14 inches away from your mouth and adjust your gain between -18 and -6. Be sure to read the instructions on the microphone to get the best quality recording. Now, once you start recording with your camera, start recording with your audio at the same time. You'll end up with two different media files, one for audio and one for video. You will then take those two tracks and synchronize them together in the software you use to edit your video. Now, this is covered later on, and trust me, it's easier than you think. It sounds complicated, but it's not. Now, when recording audio, here are a few things to consider. Reverb is a very common issue when recording audio. Reverb is that sound you get it's like you're in a box and the sound is bouncing off the walls. To eliminate reverb, create an environment that helps absorb some of the sound. For example, sometimes you may need to hang up some blankets to help absorb the sound. Harbor Freights has some inexpensive blankets that this could be used for. Some people like to get those acoustic foam panels and stick to the walls with some spray adhesive. They're pretty cheap on Amazon and worth it if you plan to record a lot of videos. Now, if you have a lot of furniture in the room, that will also help absorb some of the sound. As much as people think they can simply say what they want to say on video without a script, trust me, 99% of the time they stumble and they can't articulate what they're trying to say. As soon as you hit the record button, something happens to the presenter and they become a crazy, unscripted babbler. That's where a script comes in, something they can read word for word and allow them to focus on what they want to say and how they want to say it versus trying to figure out what to say. So go ahead and write out your script, copy it to some teleprompter software, and you'll be great. Now, the teleprompter I like to use is the Flex Plus teleprompter from Prompter People. This is kind of a tongue twister. Teleprompter from Prompter People, pick a pepper. Okay, sorry. Teleprompter, Prompter People, pick the pickle from the piper. Teleprompter Pickle. Teleprompter People. The Flex Plus teleprompter from the Prompter People, pick the pepper from the pickle piper. Okay, anyway. The teleprompter that I like to use is the Flex Plus teleprompter from Prompter People. The teleprompter allows you to place the text on the glass right in front of the camera, so you're looking directly into the audience's eyes. And eye contact is the emotional handshake you give your audience. They're going to feel like you're speaking directly to them. Remember, don't try to simply hold up another computer screen that's off to the side of your camera. The audience will see your eyes averted from the camera and they can tell you're reading something. If you're trying to stay within that $1,000 budget, then I would recommend the Glide Gear TMP 100. This is a great option. Simply set it up in front of your camera, download the script to your mobile device, and start recording. Now that's it for audio. Did you hear what I'm screaming? If not, please feel free to reach out.